Hey guys, Running Kimono here. Day 2 of this massive Dollar General penny list, clear out, whatever you want to call it. And in today's video, I am just going to go through the stuff that I didn't show yesterday that's a penny. And I'm pretty sure that some of this stuff they just added to the list overnight because I think I remember scanning that yesterday and then today it rang up a penny. So we're going to just go through UPCs again, and I'll tell you where I found all this stuff in the store. And yeah, so buckle up. And I'm going to try and not make this very repetitive. I know like yesterday I was talking about this coaster and these pants. I won't include it, just new stuff, and let's get to it. Okay, guys, so I did go to a bunch of stores today, and I did notice that some stuff yesterday was not ringing up a penny, and today it was. So make sure you have your right store in the app. Open up the Dollar General app and scan these items, and if it's ringing up 0.00, it's going to be a penny at the register. The clearance section, the cleaning section, the majority of where I found all this stuff. So the first item we're going to talk about was a really big moneymaker. It was like a $6 moneymaker. I found 3 of these Hawaiian Breeze. It's older packaging of the Glade. They're a penny. There's a $2 cash back. So I paid 3 cents and got $6 back. So that was really, really, really fantastic. The next couple slides I'm going to show you, I have a friend who's also a penny shopper, and I actually ran into her and we spent a little bit of time together today. Shout out to Karen. These are some of her haul photos. She found a bunch of Michigan State and U of M hats and t-shirts and like the really cool stuff, and it was all a penny, so that was really, really neat. She always finds the coolest stuff. So she actually shared a couple items that in from her haul. So obviously, whatever state you are in, whatever college there is, if you can find stuff with this gray star sporting, stuff that says, whatever your teams are, I would definitely give it a scan because it might be a penny. And I was shocked that she found so much because she filled up an entire cart. So that was a really cool like supermarket sweeps moment. And she totally found a great, great haul. Thing she found at a different store was this Revlon Color Silk dye, and it's in the color gray. And I love using the conditioners from those box color kits. We have these Kiss nails. I'm not sure if it's an older penny or not. And then she found a whole bunch of these baskets. So look for this Aztec pattern. And I did share some stuff with her too. And then this black one, and it has fabric in the center, but both absolutely cute. Now, one thing I found in the regular NCI section, which is where they have all the home stuff, they have a rack for all of these throws, and they're a penny. So you're really going to have to look through them. Look for ones that have muted tones, like very like beige, white, bland colors. I was also super delighted to find a 3-wick. This is called Clean Cotton. It has that brown exterior. I don't know, it just looked old to me. Anything that looks really old in the store, scan it. Clearance section, whatever section. This was found in As Seen on TV, a 3-pack of the glasses. Happy to find 2 of these. I found this later in the day, and it's a wireless speaker, perfect gift for teenagers. And these Glade waxes, 1 cent. You can't beat that price point. And I found a bunch of these as well, and they are the Airwick oils. Do love this product, and to pay a cent, it's totally what it's about. Couple different Fabulosos. This one, it's been in the clearance section forever, or it might be on an end cap. You guessed it, 1 cent. And this is a much larger one. It just has a red cap. Penny. You just cannot beat that price point. I think today I found about 100 altogether. This is from the clearance event a couple years ago. It's the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. And this double pack of the Gillette. It's like a gel consistency, but still deodorant for a penny. Yes. Annie's, this is a head wrap scarf. It absolutely looks gorgeous, and it's supposed to be silk. And then all of these sort of masks, anything that you're seeing in the clearance section, scan it. And For the Geeky Banana Saves, I found her twinning barrette. She was talking about this barrette in her video, so I got one too. And then also this really cute pearl headband by Scuncy. So happy to find more of these today. And the final item is this root to end. It's like some sort of conditioning treatment or something like that. Happy to have it for a penny. That's it for the video. If you want more of a basic breakdown on how to shop this, watch the video from yesterday linked right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.